The alleged killer of Super TV CEO, Mr. Osufo. Now, this girl wey kill this man don come outside talk the main intention on why she kill this man. For those of una wey no know this story, una hear about one girl wey be say she and her sugar daddy dey go do love control inside one room. Before we go hear another matter don cast, where the girl talk say she dey go ushering job, na wetin she tell her parents. Before we go hear, they say two of them come take loud and escape. Na there their brain come hide together. Before we go see aunty don carry knife stab this man. Come even carry the man ATM go still withdraw money. But as we get the information like this girl don confess. She don use her mouth talk wetin happen. Say all these things wey she do am just because of say wetin she wan collect money for the man hand. Una dey hear wetin money dey do? When they talk say money na the root of evil, this one na number one aspect. Na be this. Forget to do this kind thing. She can't carry the person, kill and finish. Can't they lie on top of say two of them don't hide. Say even as she hide, she no even know what she they do. Waiting make her carry that knife, self, choke the man, self, say she no even know. My people, I beg, make her follow me watch this interview.
I just few years ago.
Who introduced you to it?
Friends that just friends, old time friends. We don't talk anymore. At midnight. And when the incident happened, he couldn't speak. So I didn't take his clothes. I only took mine. I just took it and I took my dresses out. The school was first was finance, and secondly, I was just feeling reluctant to go back to school. I wanted to do online schooling so that I can join it with my business when I start up my business. There are a lot of times that the school fees is not there. It has to be a struggle to complete. And after the incident happened, that I withdrew the money. The purpose was to use it for my fees and start up a business. I know everyone is disappointed at me. I don't know what came over me that I did what I did. But I hope God forgives me and everyone forgives me.
And I don't see Abi. In fact, all these our journalists, they suppose they give them slaps small. The question where even they vex me pass, now the part where they ask and say, who introduced her to smoking? I beg how this one take concern the investigation where they go on. How the smoking to relate to this matter? But still, I still gather something for there. Because she talks say na friends. And I don't see where friends they lead people into. But I beg you be adults. Before your friends talk this thing, now you get the right and decision to talk. So okay, yes, so I won't smoke. No, I won't smoke. So it means say you self, the smoking they hungry you. Now make you can't decide say you won't go smoke. So no even blame friends. Now friends now lead you into smoking. They not teach you the wrong way. Now you decide say you won't follow this thing. And this whole matter, the girl say she dey follow her uncle live. Her school fees now her papa they pay am. So I beg auntie, what you dey find? No be say you dey hustle to pay your school fees. Nothing they worry you. Say and she like this, she go even do online schooling. Say for her to dey go school, she dey find am reluctant, she dey find am difficult. You think say na abroad you dey? You dey inside Nigeria, you want to find online schooling. As you know say school no hungry, you say na business you want go do. You sit down, face your business. No be say you go talk say you want go school fees, they will come pay school fees finish. You will come go dey waste your time say na runs girl work you want to do. Tell your parents say na runs girl I want do, make them no bother waste money. Money will be say they go suffer gather for you. Now there you can't decide now won't go waste level 300. You don't go school from level 100, 200. It may how many years? 1 year for you to graduate. Now there you can't decide say you won't mess up everything. I really feel sorry for you. I hope say God go really intervene for this your thing because all of us know say person will kill person, they go kill himself join. So I don't know the kind lawyer where you go find for this case, we go help you fight this your whole matter. I don't know the kind lawyer where you go call am from heaven. Because this one way you do no be any reason to keep person. Money no be justified reason to keep person. Rest in peace to this man, and I sure say in family itself go they go the reason say this kind killing, this kind death will happen to the family. It go dey affect them, but nothing will they go fit do. But this one wey you dey talk wey say everybody dey feel for you say maybe you dey really sorry. You don forget say law no dey check feelings. Law no know as you dey feel. They no even care whether the thing wey you do, unless say you dey very very right. But all this one now upon everything say you cry, you do this, they no go reason all this one. They go just look and say you don commit crime. But the one wey come even as you come even go take withdraw that money, in fact question wey they suppose dey ask now, how you take get this man ATM pin? How you take get this pin? Because for you to withdraw that money, that amount of money, e mean say you don already plan this, you don already target say you wan kill this man. And if say na money sef you wan even do am, shebi we once get kaya matter dey there. Why you no use kaya matter on top of this man? At least use juju on top of him body, make we know say if you tell am say give me money, he go carry the money give you. Shebi na because of money. Now because of money you can't decide say you wan go kill person. You know they work like that. This one no even mean at it no even make any sense at all. If you even call am sweet name, honey him, sugar him, God be belle small, he go even give you small money, but you no reason all this kind of thing. Now killing. And I beg, this whole investigation, police suppose reason am. She talks say that day on top of bed they chop love. Now here the man won't try have sex with her. I beg go how the knife can't take magically enter inside this girl hand. Because all these kind of things are the reason I'm joined. Say this girl, in fact, she never talk the real truth. They go say interview her now she go see use her mouth now talk another thing again. This guy, your matter don't even tire me. This one now, I don't know the lawyer wey go find. But now God, you go come and come be your judge on that day because I don't know as you want to talk this one. And I hope say this girl, all these sugar girls, sugar babies, wey be say they could walk up, and I hope say this one a lesson for her. Go school now, no go school because she start all these things. Say when she enter uni like Nigeria, she start all this kind of worker. Sit down for house, you no go gree. If say they tell this girl say be there students, they go, she no go gree. She go say by force she won't feel the Unilag lifestyle. You don't enter am now. Now there you go, they smoke cigar, carry with everything, bad thing. Now they do. Now wow, Chidima. In fact, your case, I hope say you go really pray to God. This is why you talk say you no want die, but you feel keep person. Now God go help you settle this matter. I hear this one. Of course, make her bring am, make her reach in her side, making herself reason. Yeah, everything they happen. Make sure don't forget to like and also share this video so that everybody say go see what they yarn about. I go see you now for our next video.